Hi. In the previous recorded session, we discussed about present continuous. Yes, present continuous. Today in this class, we shall be dealing about past continuous. Past continuous in conversion from active to passive voice. In the first class, we discussed about conversion of active to passive voice in the present simple tense. Then we later on moved to simple past tense. Here, in the last session, we discussed about present continuous tense, and today we shall be dealing about past continuous tense. See, to determine whether a sentence is present or past, just you have to look at the auxiliaries. The auxiliaries are be form, have form and do form. You know this, right? In be form you have an, is, are. This is for present tense. And for past, is becomes was and are becomes verb. W-E-R-E verb. Just look at here. W-E-R-E verb. For have becomes had and has along with have. Has is used for third person singular, and had is used both for present and past tense, and have is used for first time second person present singular or plural. I have, they have. You have, they have it. And do, did is used for past tense. Did is used for past tense and do is used for present tense. You just have to look at the auxiliaries and you will get to know whether the sentence is in present tense or past tense. To determine whether the sentence is continuous or simple, you just have to look at the verb forms. There are 4 verb forms, right? V1, V2, V3 and V4. If you are getting present plus ing, look at here, the word waiting can be written as W-A-I-T, wait, plus ing. This is V1, that is present, and ing is continuous. Ing is continuous. So you can say that, and here they have given was. They would have given is, that would have become present continuous. But they have given was. Was is always used for past tense. Is this clear? Yes. Now, looking at was and waiting, you can say that the tense is in past continuous tense. Children, don't create confusion or don't yourself put into confusion. Here look at the auxiliary as well as the verb. If they have given is used for present tense. If they have given are, is also used for present tense. But here in this sentence they have given was, W-A-S, was. So was suggests that the sentence is in past tense. When you are looking at the word waiting, W-A-I-T-I-N-G, waiting suggests that it is continuous tense. So you can say it is past continuous tense. How do you have to change it? You know the rules, just apply it. The first rule is interchange the position of subject and object. So the first is I'm waiting for Rahul. You just have to write Rahul and I becomes me, by. This is the first rule. And you know, Rahul, they've given was waiting. You just have to write was is same because Rahul is singular. Rahul was being, there's no place, let me do it. Rahul was being the V3 form of Wait is waited. Even in the present continuous also, for ing form, you just have to add be plus ing in. Okay? That's the small rule. Rahul was being waited by me. Is this clear? Like I was waiting for Rahul, Rahul was being waited by me. The second sentence, she was reading a novel. So you can write it here. See, you just can write it a novel. Okay, she becomes by her. She becomes her. You just have to add by there. You know this rule, right? Yes. A novel, so the V3 form of read is read. A novel was being read by her. It becomes, for you look at this READ, even though it has written same, but the V3 form of read is read. See here. Read, there is no readed. Okay? There is no readed. Read, read and reading. Only the pronunciation differs, but written format remains the same. Read, read and reading. Is this clear? Yes. So you just have to, while pronouncing, you just have to read the read. And the V3 form of read is read. This clear, right? We shall look for a few more examples here. Third example. Okay, let me do it for he. He was eating bananas. Okay? Bananas are plural. So, just interchange bananas by him. So you know, if the object, that is the subject of the passive voice, bananas that I've given in plural form, you have to write bananas were being. What is the V3 form of eat? Eaten by him. Are you getting the points? Are you getting? See, was changes to were because bananas are plural. You can't write bananas was being eaten by them. Bananas were being eaten by them. See, they were reading books. You can write it. Books were being read by them. See, this is very simple. In the next, I think this is clear and you have to copy down this in your That's My English Grammar book. If you have any doubt, you can contact me through WhatsApp. And make sure that you understand this active to passive voice. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me through WhatsApp. Stay home, study well. Bye.